This is a 2005 Ford Ranger Super Cab Edge four-wheel drive, 60,000 miles. Yes, 60,000 miles in wonderful condition. Super Cab, four-door, 4.0 liter, 4x4. Sliding rear window, bed liner, tow package. Vehicle is running. It is windy and cold today. Alloy wheels, tires are in great shape. Running boards, fog lamps. Rust-free Texas truck. Cloth seats. AM/FM CD, 4x4, 60,000 miles. All four doors open up. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. Perfect Carfax report. So this is a 2005 Ford Ranger Edge Super Cab 4-door 4.0 4x4 with 60,000 miles, rust-free, in remarkable condition for its age.